Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn off or disable the ability to create a guest account or to create a new user on your PlayStation 5. So people can't just sign in without your permission. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to turn off the guest account and disable the ability to create a new user on your PlayStation 5. So let's go over to my main account right now and select it and sign in. So when I get to the home screen, let's go up to the top bar and go over to settings and select this option. Now scroll on down to family and parental controls and select X on this. Now go to PS5 console restrictions. Now, the default password is 0000, which is square 4 times. I'm going to punch that in. Yours may be different if you changed it. Now, the first option at the top is user creation and guest login. Right now, I have it set to allow, but this says prevent people from creating users or logging in as guests on this PS5. Also, existing users who have never signed into PlayStation 5 or the network will be unable to sign into the PlayStation network at all. So you can stop the creation of new users and the ability to sign in as a guest. So if I go to don't allow, my PlayStation 5 will be completely locked down and I will have to give people permission to sign in on my PS5. So look at this option and see if you want this on or not. Also, you can go ahead and set a passcode for your account. So literally no one can play, they can't sign in your account, they can't create an account or make a guest account. So this will be great for your privacy concerns on your PlayStation 5 if you have people over at your house and you don't want them on your PS5. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.